Цилиндры EZCURRA.
Hello everyone.
Модель
These are
называется
EZCURRA cylinders.
SEA. Ну, короче,
The model is
вот
called Sea.
серия
Well,
2,
like this,
серия 3,
Series 2,
есть серия
Series
23.
3, there is a Series
Здесь
23 as well.
пины справа и
There
слева,
are pins
и
on the right and
пружин
left,
нету.
but there is no
Слышно, оно
spring.
тарахтит.
You can hear it
Пружин тут
rattling.
нету.
There is no spring here.
Теперь по поводу инструмента.
Now about the tool.
Сейчас я откроем все три
Now I'll open all
цилиндра.
three
По
of these
поводу
cylinders.
инструмента.
About the tool.
Инструмент
The tool
работает
works
на
100%,
не на
not
70, не на
70,
80,
80,
не на
not
95,
95,
а именно 100%.
but
То есть такого
100%.
замка, который не
That
откроет,
is
его
such a
нет.
lock
Он
that
открывается
it does
абсолютно
not
все.
open, it does not
Это
exist.
первый момент. Второй момент.
This is the first point. The second point, it is simplicity of use. It is very simple. Anyone can open it. It is very easy to use. And the third point, the most important, it is opening time. At that moment you inserted the tool and started working. Opening time, attention please, it is 10-15 seconds. So like this, I'm not showing the tool because some people are trying to copy it somehow, but they actually can't do anything. The tool will be available only to those who buy it. Now I'll open it and I demonstrate you the opening speed. I'm going to open it one by one. What do we do? You can do it with just a finger and like this, literally with two fingers, just like that. Just rattle it like this, very lightly. You don't need any force at all, just rattle it like that. Holding on, we take it like this. The lock is open. Maybe 5 seconds have passed. At the same time, all the locks remain absolutely functional. This is C3. We hold it with our fingers and rattle it lightly. This is C2. Another one. We hold it. In general, these are the miracle locks and the miracle tool. As I said, 100% opening. There is no such lock that doesn't open. They all open. The price you can find on our website. The link is under this video. Bye.